Hello students, welcome back. Dear students, in our HCP and LCM chapter, today we are going to learn practice set number 11 and practice set number 12. Okay, in practice set number 11, the question is factorize the following numbers into primes. Okay, just first example, there are total 10 examples. First example I wrote here, first example is 32. We have to factorize 32. So there are three methods. This like a tree diagram. You have to make the factors, then vertical arrangement and horizontal arrangement. Okay. Now students, first see this 32. Now if we multiply 16 multiply by 2, then we get 32. So the first factor of 32 is, or if you divide 2 to 32, then you get 16. Okay, 2 16s or 16 2s are 32. So here 32 factors, first factor of 32 is 16 and 2. 16 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 16. So factors of 32. Now here 16. So we have to write now factors of 16. Okay, 2 8s are 16. Okay, 2 8s are 16. So the 16 factors is 2 into 8. Okay, and this we have to continue like this. Then now again we have to find the factors of 8. Okay, 2 4s are 8 or 4 2s are 8. So 2 multiplied by 4. These are the factors of 8. Now what is remain? 4. 4 factor, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. And at last, when we join this, we will get the factors of 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now see students, we will recheck. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. And 16 2s are 32. Okay. What happened? Mostly when you are writing the factors that time, here you are jumbling. 2 2s are 4, 6, 8 and 12. Like this way you are multiplying. So this is totally wrong. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So these are the factors of 32. This is one method. But student, when you have to apply this method, if the numbers is smaller, means 32 or 23, 23 is only one factor is there because that is the prime number. Then for example 40. Okay, these small numbers you can use this method. Otherwise, simplest you have to use the vertical arrangement. Okay, now we'll see the vertical arrangement and horizontal arrangement. These three types to find the factors I show you, but in exam, whatever you prefer, you like, you feel simple, that way you have to solve. My suggestion is vertical arrangement is better. Let's see now 32. Okay, 2. When we are making the factors, see students, always see the last digit. If last digit is even number, then that is divisible by 2. If that is odd number, then that is divisible by 3. Okay, first always you have to start from 2, then you have to try to divide by 3, then if not, then 4, then 5, then 6. But always starts from 2. Okay, so 2 here 3. So 2 ones are 2. Okay, and 1 remain, it's become 12 here. So 2 6 are 12. Okay, now again 16 here 6 is even number that is divisible by 2. So 2 8s are 16. Again we have to divide this 8. So 2 4s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, now here students we have to write the factors. 32 is equal to how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, these are the factors of 32. Now horizontal arrangement. Okay, first what we have to do, which two numbers, means if we multiply by 2 to 16, then 16 2s are 32. So 2 multiplied by 16. Okay, Then again 2 multiplied by, now we have to find the factors of 16. So 2 8 are 16. Now we have to find the factors of 8. Okay, like this same. 2 multiplied by 2, factors of this 2 4 are 8. Again we have to find the factors of 4. Then 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, factors of 4 is 2 into 2. So therefore 32 factor we got 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now this way you have to solve the remaining example, students. Only just I'll explain you orally. The third example, that is 23. Okay, 23 is a prime number. Okay, so factor is 23 only. Then I think all examples are simple. Only the ninth example is 377. Okay, try to divide by 2, but that is not possible. If your tables, you learn the tables properly, then you can easily find out the factor. Those students, their tables 2 to 30 are perfect, then they are having no problem to make the factors. Okay, so the 377, just I give the clue. We have to divide by 13. Okay, then you see 13 divided by 377. What you got the answer. So students, like this way you have to solve all the examples. Okay, now we will move to the next practice set, that is practice set number 12. In practice set number 12 there are 2 examples, okay, or 2 questions. First question is find the HCF, and second question is find the HCF by the division method and reduce to the simplest form. Okay, so now first we will find the HCF, highest common factor. Okay, so now the rules regarding this HCF I gave in already in the notes. Okay, read the rules, then that is better for you to solve the examples easily. Okay, so HCF, highest common factor. Now here student, again we have to find out the factors. Okay, now 42, 45 and 48. I choose the 7th example here. So here 3 numbers are given. 2 way you have to solve this. First, togetherly you have to make the factors. How I will explain, and separately. So first we will solve separately. We will find the 42 factor, then 45, then 48. Okay. So now 42 first we will find out. Now here students, I told you here this is an even number, so 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now 21. 21 is divisible by 2? No. So we take 3. 3 7s are 21. Okay. Now 7 is divisible by only 7. So 7 1s are 7. These are the factors. So therefore 42's factors 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. Now we will find out the factors of 45. Okay. Here students, last digit I told you this is 5. Here is 5. So this is not even number. So this is not, maybe not divisible by 2. So we will take 3 now. Just check this always, the last digit. Okay. If even number, then that is divisible by 2. If not, then try to 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. Okay. So 3 1s are 3. 1 remain here, 5, 15. Okay. So 3 5s are 15. Now 3, again 15 is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are, now 5 is divisible by 5 only. Therefore factors of 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Now factors of 48. Here it's even number. Today this number is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now 3 1s are 3. Therefore 48's factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now students, we have to find the highest common factor. Okay, HCF, highest common factor. So if you see here 3 is common, here 3 is common, one more time 3 is here, and here 3. So here in this 3, 42, 45 and 48, 3 is common factor. So this is our HCF, highest common factor. Therefore, how we have to write? HCF of 42, 45, 48 is equal to 3. Okay. This separately, I prefer you have to make the factors. Otherwise, directly, means we are directly divide. How we'll see this? Now see, togetherly also we will solve this. Now write this all the numbers 42, 45 and 48. Okay. Now student, here just see, before finding the factors, here 2, okay, here 5 and here 8. So this 42 and 48 are easily divisible by 2, but 45 is not divisible by 2. So students, we have to find a number that is divisible to all the numbers. So just if we I'll show you. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Here this is not divisible. 5 is not divisible. 2 2s are 4 and here. So here these 3 numbers are divisible by this number. Okay. So we have to take that kind of number. Okay. So after 2, 3. Okay, we will try by 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 remain, that become 12. Okay, and 3 4s are 12. Now we have to divide this 45 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 remain 15. Okay, and 3 5s are 15. Now 48, we have to divide 48 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 remain 18. Okay, so 3 6s are 18. Now we got 14, 15 and 16. Is there any number that divisible to 14, 15 and 16? Okay, 14 and 16 divisible by 2, but 15 is not divisible by 2. Okay, if we try 3, 14 is not divisible by 3, 15 is divisible by 3, but 16 is not divisible by 3. So we have to stop here. Okay, so now only we got the HCF here 3. Therefore, see students, when we have to stop, if the given, if we divide by first number to first here the number by a number, and next all the 3 numbers are not divisible by a single number, then we have to stop. Otherwise, if divisible, then we have to divide again. Okay, we have to make the factor. So here we will stop because 14 and 16 is divisible by 2, 15 is divisible by 3, and this 14, 16 again that divisible by one number, and 15 is divisible by another number. But what we have to do, we have to select a number here that divisible to all these 3. So here that is not possible, so we have to stop here. So 3 is our highest common factor. So therefore HCF of 42, 45 and 48 is equal to 3. This way you have to solve the example, students. Okay. There are total 10 examples, students. Okay. So these 10 examples, all the examples remaining you have to solve for homework. Just I will see. Okay. Ninth example is there, 56 and 57. I gave one rule. If the two consecutive numbers are there, then their factor is always 1. Consecutive means one after another. 56 and 57. Okay. So directly you have to make the factors 56 and 57. Otherwise, you have to write HCF of two consecutive number is 1. Directly, if you write the rule also, the HCF of two consecutive number is equal to 1. That's also okay. Otherwise, make the factor of 56 and 57. Only one should be, you get the highest common factor. Okay. So, and remaining examples you have to solve. Just I show you like this, togetherly or separately you can make the factor, students. Okay. Now we'll move to the second question here. Okay. The second question is find the HCF by the division method and reduce to the simplest form. Okay. So we'll see this example. Here there are 3 examples out of 3. We'll solve one. We'll solve first one. Okay. Now we'll solve the first example. Here, students, 275 upon 525. Okay. So always we have to divide the bigger number by smaller number. Okay. Now see here. 275 divided to 525. Okay. This here there is a little bit change. Okay. Now first 275. If we multiply by 2, 275 multiplied by 2, so that is bigger than 525. Okay. Here you have to just guess. You have to use your sense of humor, student. 200 means here 200 plus 200, 400. 75 again 575 means there is this number. When we got 275 multiplied by 2, then we got the bigger number than 525. So we have to give the first 275 ones are 275. Here you have to write, not upside, here you have to write minus 5 minus 5 0. Here 2 minus 7 not possible. With borrow 1 from 5, here 12, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5. Here 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. Now here, students, look here. Here is twist. Now this is a reminder. Okay. Now what do I have to do? This reminder you have to divide to the previous divisor. So our divisor is 275. Okay. Just look here. We done this, we got the reminder. So this reminder now become a divisor, and the first previous divisor here become dividend. Okay, this keep in mind. Now again here just 275 and 250. So common sense 251s are 250. Again minus 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 5 2 and 0. Okay, same we have to again still we cannot get 0 remainder, we have to divide like this. Now this is remainder. Okay, now this remainder become divisor, and the previous divisor, this one, that become dividend. This we have to write here. Okay, 250, the previous divisor is become our dividend. Okay, like this. Now 25 tens are 250. Okay, student. Now what is our question? Find the HCF. Where is the HCF? This last step divisor is our HCF. Okay, how you have to write? Therefore HCF of 275 upon 525 is equal to 25. Okay. Now, picture abhi baki hai. Again they ask one more question. Find the HCF by the division method and reduce to the simplest form. Okay. We have to reduce into the simplest form. Okay. Now students, we know this is our HCF. Therefore, simplest form, okay, is equal to, if 275 divided by, this is our HCF, so we have to divide, and 525 divided by 25. Okay, so if we divide here, then you get 11, and 25 here, 21. Okay, or you can write the simplest form like this way also. Simplest form of 275 and 525 is equal to 25 multiplied by 11 and 25 multiplied by this one 21 is equal to 11 upon 21. This way also you can write, and this way. You ask her how you find out this. We know 25 is the HCF, so just divide numerator and denominator by 25, then you will get the simplest form here. Okay, so this is the simplest form. Now students, remaining there are 2 more examples, so you have to solve all the examples. Okay, now students, one more thing I have to tell you. Whatever we learn, try to solve same date. Okay, up to date your notebooks, means now practice set 12 is going on. Solve all the examples up to practice set number 12. Okay, in the next video we will see the practice set number 13. Okay, 13 and if possible then 14. Okay, still there students, take care, bye bye.